Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I'm here just to show you a new box I received from Grabie. So I have not opened up the contents yet, so I'm pretty excited to look in it. It's junk journal-y supplies. It shows on the back everything it comes with. It does look like I cheated and opened it, but I really didn't. You'll see. So I will put the discount code in the description of this video. I believe it's 15% off. And yeah, so let's see what's in it. Super excited. I love getting boxes like this. I just think it's so much fun. So I'll take everything out and then we'll go through one thing at a time. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. Wow. Ooh, this is fun. Okay. If I can get it out. Okay. Like, where do I begin? All right, so this is, probably, it'll say on the back of the box what it is, but, oh, it's sticker collection, so it's pet stickers. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is a cute little envelope, like a, gosh, you guys, I can't think of the, like a vellum. Ooh, these are cool. Okay, so they're transparent stickers. So lights. So each box has a theme. This theme is, why can't I remember it? It's like houses, city, let me see. Yeah, it's like got a housey theme, but I'll put the theme of it in the description. Why can't I find it? Because I'm on camera, that's probably why. But anyways, the theme will probably be obvious as I start going through it. I should have taken all these out because now I gotta put them back. So I'll be right back. All right, next up. It's Build a House paper collection, 6 single-side pattern paper. I'm not going to take this out because it looks like there's a bunch. Well, I guess I can. Let's see. So you could use this for junk journaling, scrapbooking. I'm going to leave that on there. So there's different color houses. There's white, gold, black. That's pretty cool. Ooh, I have to look at this. And then a Grabie sticker. Texture paper, guys. So 16 single-sided pattern paper. I'll just kind of flip through it. Oh, I love textured paper so much. Yep, that's fun. Love the teal. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. This is a pin. It says collect 6 pins for a $20 Grabie gift card. Collect all 12 pins for a surprise. So it's a floral pin. You know, I love my floral stuff. All right, so this is Flower Market Paper Collection 50 die cut shapes. Oops, I'm impatient. Okay, I'm not taking these all out. I don't think I should. Let's see. They're gonna be hard to pick back up, but I'll take them out. That's fine. All these die cuts, butterflies, flowers, and then repeats in here. You guys know I love little die cuts and sort of, what do we call it, collage fodder. So yeah, this could be used that way. All right, what's next? Paper collection die cut shapes. Oh, more die cuts. I'm gonna cut this so I don't rip my envelope again. I love the sound of these vellum envelopes. Okay, so, ooh. Lots of die cuts. The white ones might be hard to see on camera, but you can see them hopefully a little bit. All right. Okay, next. Sticker collection, pots of flowers. Gosh, this box comes with a lot of stuff. Again, I'm gonna cut this. I'm so glad that I got lucky that they asked me to trial a box on a floral theme, because that's absolutely my favorite theme ever. Look at these cute little, I don't know what you call them, not die cuts, but I'll call them decor. Garden theme. Cute. All right, what's next? Let's see. This is Sunny Lane paper collection. This is, I think, house shape, but let's see. Yeah, so little buildings, houses, buildings, offices. Kind of cute. I'll show you guys in future videos things that I do with this stuff too. Today I'm just going to show you what's in the box. All right, what is this? Fun at the Street sticker collection. 39 cardstock stickers. Packaging's great too. I'm really impressed with how much stuff comes in the box. And the sound of these envelopes. All right, what do we got here? Oh, cute. Kind of like little town stuff. I'm trying to turn it all over. Whole telephone. Love it. I love bike stuff. I stamp bikes a lot, actually. Little lamp posts. So yeah, this stuff would be great for scrapbooking, even junk journaling for sure. I can see scrapbookers loving this stuff. All right, 3 more packages. Let's look at this pen. I don't think it's a pen, but I'm gonna have to look. Let's see. Double-sided dot runner. Okay, so it's to put, you know, glue these things down. So that's kind of cool. I want to open this one last for some reason. This is Bright Main Street sticker collection. I'm pretty much obsessed with stickers, you guys. I never really talk about stickers on my channel, but I have 8 billion stickers, and I need to start sharing and using them again. I was using them a lot when I was busier in Happy Mail groups, but I love stickers. So let's see, what do we got here? Not quite sure yet. So I think, so it's got some easels. I think it's maybe stuff you, oh yeah, like outside of a shop or inside of a shop. Cute little easel pieces, little labels. I love these little lamps, they're cute. Or light bulb, light, whatever. All right. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's actually a bunch more stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is sticker collection, 50 cardstock stickers. So let's see. Oh, so this would be like if you're doing like a little town, like your little flower thing. These would be totally cute to put in a journal as a belly, or not a belly band, but a tuck. And then these are cute little umbrellas. Oh my gosh. I don't know what theme this is. Is it like whimsical? But I love whimsically looking things. All right, so there's lots and lots. Just different colors. Like, look at this little border. And we'll look at the paper stuff next. It's the last envelope, and this is, oh, I cut it off. Pattern papers, or did I grab, yeah. Oh, okay. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, a ton of pattern paper. Oh, I like that blue. Ooh, I love that. Stuff will be great to collage with. So lots and lots of papers. I'm trying to keep them kind of neat here, guys. Water. That's awesome. Use these as a bunch of labels. So this has some texture to it. I'm just gonna leave that right there. I'm saving these envelopes or whatever pockets. Actually, I'll move this just a little bit to here. Okay. And this is Gold Alphabet Sticker Collection. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so little tiny gold alphabet, just like it says. Let's leave that there for now. And this is sticker collect. Oh, I'm out of frame. Blooming Wild sticker collection, pet stickers. Oh, I thought it was paper. Oh, I have another thing. So we got more to come, guys. This is second to last. Okay, so then, so you can see, these are pet stickers, are transparent, so they're individual, which is great. It's hard to see each one with my background here. That's awesome. And this is the paper. I'll bring it into frame in a sec. I'm running out of room here. I'm most excited, I think, about the paper, but we'll see. Okay, so these are backgrounds. Like a brick theme. I knew that part. So I have to overlap. Pretty neat, guys. Wow, well, thank you, Grabie, for sending me this amazing loaded box. Holy cow, there's a lot of stuff in here. So again, if you've made it through to the end, I will put all the details for the box and the company in this video description with the discount code. And thank you for watching, guys. I will show you in future videos for sure how I'm utilizing some of this stuff. It's endless. I don't even know where to begin, but all right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.